Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we do a wet brine for your turkey. Typically, you've seen a lot of threads out there, videos, articles on putting together your own recipe with oranges and cranberries and salt and garlic. But this year I wanted to try a pre-made turkey brine. This is from World Market of all places. It says, give you a little description here, a savory blend of sea salt, cranberry, garlic, sage, apple, orange peel, juniper berry, peppercorns, thyme, and rosemary. So we'll see how it turns out. Looks pretty good. We'll go through some instructions here on how to do it and give you some of the best tips. Okay. First thing we want to do is get about a gallon of water in my pot here. I've got a 20-pound bird, so it calls for the entire bag of seasoning and about a gallon of water in here. So we're gonna fill this bad boy up a second. Taking a little time, I'll pause it for now. Is you want to have your water come to a boil. Put this whole package of brine mix in there and give it a little stir ski till it all dissolves. So let's open this up. Smells good. I'm just gonna give this a stir ski. Basically, I just want this all to dissolve. And it's gonna just have to come to a boil. While my brine is coming to a boil and kind of dissolving, I'm going to get the bucket ready. The bucket is where we put the turkey in. So what you want to do is get, this is a 5-gallon bucket. Kitchen bags, grab these from the store. Basically just to line the bucket. I did clean the bucket out ahead of time. Basically open up this bad boy. And we put it in the bucket. Trying to hold it over. Get that air out of there. So you've got a nice receptacle for the turkey. So what I'll do next is prepare the turkey. Basically, there she is, a 20-pounder. I'm going to cut off all the plastic, pull out the gizzards, kind of give her a wash down. And what I'll do is we'll put her into the bucket, and when our brine is cool, we boil it, we stir it, we put it in the fridge for a while till it's cool. Put turkey in the bucket, and then you put the brine on top of the turkey, and then it's going to sit for 8 to 12 hours. So we'll move on to that. There we go. So you can see the bird's ready for the brine. Brine will go in, we'll tie it off, and then we'll be set to let it sit overnight, 6 to 12 hours, 8 to 12 hours. We'll take it out in the morning, basically just pat it off, dry it off, stick it in the roaster, and go from there. Cool, ready for brine. So this is what she looks like. Basically it's been cooling in the fridge for about a half an hour. You don't want to put it in there hot. So what we do is we'll put the brine in the bucket. It needs to stay cool overnight. So typically I put it in the garage because the garage is pretty cold, around 30 degrees right now. Otherwise you can put it in the fridge. So here we go. So I'm just going to pour the brine halfway onto my counter. And into the bucket. Alright. Just stir it around in there. Actually going to tie this up. Spin it around. Tie it off. Basically, you got a nice salty, briny solution that's gonna seep into the skin, and ideally it's gonna keep that breast moist as you cook it. So that's kind of where we're at. What do? Do you do a dry rub, a dry brine? Do you do wet brine? Do you not brine at all? In the morning, this is going to go in a roaster. I'm going to tent it with tin foil, and that's how we cook a 20-pound bird at 325 degrees for about 4.5 hours. So yeah, is this something that you would do? Let me know in the comments. Thanks. See you on the next one.